Have you ever wondered how some creators dominate YouTube without ever showing their face? What if I told you that with the power of AI, you can do the same and turn it into a profitable venture? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build a faceless YouTube channel from scratch, using cutting-edge AI tools to make the process faster, easier, and more effective than ever before. Whether you're someone who's camera shy or simply prefer to work behind the scenes, this guide is tailored to help you succeed in one of the fastest growing trends on the platform. Imagine creating high-quality videos, engaging thousands of viewers, and generating income, all without stepping in front of a camera. Sounds like a dream, right? Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have the blueprint to make it a reality. And here's the best part. You don't need to be an expert in video production or spend hours trying to figure things out. I'll walk you through every step of the process, from picking the perfect niche to creating professional thumbnails, voiceovers, and more, all powered by AI. We'll explore tools that not only save you time, but also give your videos a professional edge that stands out in the crowded YouTube space. If you've been thinking about starting a YouTube channel but felt overwhelmed or unsure where to start, this is the ultimate guide for you. So grab a notebook, settle in, and let's dive into how you can turn your creativity and AI into a faceless YouTube channel that thrives. Step 1. Finding your niche. The first step in creating a successful YouTube channel is identifying your niche. A niche represents a specific category or topic your channel will focus on. To uncover trending or untapped niches, start by leveraging AI tools like Google Trends, Exploding Topics, and Answer the Public. These platforms analyze search patterns to reveal what people are most curious about. A strong niche combines something you're passionate about with a topic that has proven audience demand. For even deeper insights, consider using advanced AI tools like ChatGPT, Jasper.ai, or Neural Text. ChatGPT can generate niche ideas based on your interests, while Jasper.ai tailors suggestions for monetizable topics. Neural Text analyzes online trends to highlight low-competition areas where your content can stand out. Combine these tools with traditional brainstorming techniques for best results. When choosing a niche, ensure it has longevity and scalability. For example, niches like tech reviews, productivity hacks, or AI tutorials are evergreen and will continue to attract audiences over time. Avoid overly saturated or trending topics with short lifespans unless you have a unique angle. Lastly, validate your niche idea by researching your potential competitors. Visit channels within your niche and analyze their most viewed videos. This will give you insights into what works and where you can innovate. Use tools like VidIQ or TubeBuddy to analyze competitors' keywords and tags, helping you position your channel effectively. Step 2. Choosing a channel name. Once your niche is selected, it's time to pick an engaging channel name. Your name should be memorable, relevant to your niche, and easy to spell. AI tools like Namelix or Business Name Generator can help brainstorm ideas. Simply input keywords related to your niche, and these tools will generate creative name suggestions. For example, if your niche is about AI tutorials, you might input keywords like AI, tutorials, and faceless. Namelix could suggest options like AI Horizons or Faceless Innovator. Once you find a name, check its availability across platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and Twitter to maintain a consistent brand identity. Another great tool for finding unique names is Dot-O-Mator, which combines prefixes and suffixes for creative results. For instance, it might suggest Tech Visionary or Pixel Mind. After selecting a few options, run them through a domain checker like Namecheap to ensure the name isn't already trademarked or heavily used. Remember, your channel name sets the tone for your brand. If you're targeting a professional audience, opt for something sleek and modern. For entertainment niches, a playful or catchy name might resonate better. Don't rush this step. Your channel name will stick with you throughout your content journey. Step 3. Creating channel art, banner, and logo. Your channel banner and logo are the first things viewers notice, so they must make a strong impression. Platforms like Canva, Crello, or Placeit provide pre-made templates designed specifically for YouTube. Canva, for instance, offers drag-and-drop features that let you create professional-looking designs without any prior experience. For logos, use AI tools like Looka or Tailor Brands. These platforms allow you to customize colors, icons, and typography to match your channel's theme. A logo for a tech channel might include sleek fonts and minimalist icons, while a cooking channel might feature playful, colorful elements. It's crucial to follow YouTube's recommended dimensions. Channel banner size: 2560 by 1440 pixels. Logo size: 800 by 800 pixels. Experiment with different designs and gather feedback before finalizing your art. Your visuals should align with your niche and be easily recognizable. Keep it simple, yet visually appealing to attract and retain viewers. Step 4. Finding video topics and writing scripts. After setting up your channel's identity, the next step is planning your content. Choosing the right video topics ensures your channel appeals to your target audience. Use AI tools like ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas based on your niche. For example, if your niche is personal finance, ask ChatGPT to generate video ideas like 5 simple budgeting tips or how to save for retirement using AI tools. Pair this with data from tools like Google Trends or VidIQ to validate which topics are trending. When writing scripts, start with an engaging hook that grabs the viewer's attention within the first 15 seconds. ChatGPT can assist by generating script outlines or even full drafts based on prompts you provide. For example, ask ChatGPT, write a script for a 10-minute video about creating a passive income stream. Edit the generated script to add your personal touch and align it with your channel's tone and style. Focus on delivering value in each script. Break down complex topics into easy-to-understand steps, using simple language and relatable examples. Structure your videos with clear sections: introduction, main points, and conclusion. Additionally, include a call to action, CTA, midway, and at the end of the video to encourage likes, subscriptions, and comments. To optimize your script for SEO, identify relevant keywords using tools like Keyword Tool or TubeBuddy. Incorporate these keywords naturally into your script's narration. For instance, if Faceless YouTube channel tips is a high-ranking keyword, mention it subtly during your video. A well-crafted script not only engages your audience, but also improves your video's visibility on YouTube. Alright, if you've made it this far, you're clearly serious about starting your own Faceless YouTube channel. So here's the deal. Hit that like button if you're finding this guide helpful. It really helps the channel grow and reach more creators like you. And while you're at it, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss the next video packed with pro tips and insider strategies for YouTube success. Got questions or need more guidance? Drop a comment below. I read every single one and might feature your question in a future video. Let's build this journey together. Step 5. Generating voiceovers. Now it's time to bring your scripts to life with voiceovers. For Faceless channels, AI-generated voices are an excellent solution. Tools like Leonardo.ai provide realistic and professional-sounding voiceovers in various accents and tones. Simply upload your script, choose a voice style, and let the AI do the rest. Leonardo.ai offers customization options, such as adjusting pitch, speed, and emotional tone to suit your video's theme. For instance, you might use an enthusiastic tone for tutorial videos or a calm and professional tone for informational content. This flexibility ensures your voiceover matches the mood of your content. Another alternative is Murph.ai, which specializes in AI-generated voiceovers with high-quality sound. It also supports multiple languages, making it ideal for channels targeting diverse audiences. Murph.ai allows you to fine-tune pronunciation and intonation, giving your videos a natural feel. While AI tools are convenient, ensure your voiceovers sound engaging and not monotonous. If possible, blend human-like expressions and pauses for a more authentic experience. A good voiceover can captivate your audience and keep them watching till the end, which boosts your channel's performance metrics. Step 6. Creating thumbnails. Thumbnails play a pivotal role in attracting viewers to your videos. Start by using ChatGPT to generate ideas for compelling thumbnails. For instance, prompt it with, "Describe a thumbnail concept for a video about faceless YouTube channels." ChatGPT can suggest creative taglines and visual elements like bold text or eye-catching images. Once you have a concept, use AI design tools like Freepik to create the thumbnail. Freepik offers high-quality templates and assets that can be customized to match your video's theme. Combine Freepik's visuals with a text overlay generated from your ChatGPT prompt to make the thumbnail engaging. A good thumbnail is visually striking and provides a glimpse of your video's value. Use contrasting colors, large fonts, and minimal text to make it stand out. Ensure the design aligns with your niche. Use tech-inspired graphics for AI tutorials or clean and simple layouts for educational content. For advanced customization, bring your design into Photoshop. ChatGPT can assist by suggesting design tweaks or even listing thumbnail SEO tips based on your video script. The result should be a high-quality thumbnail optimized for clicks. Remember, your thumbnail is the first impression your video makes, so make it count. Step 7. Editing and post-production editing is where your raw footage transforms into a polished, engaging video. For faceless channels, editing plays a critical role in maintaining viewer interest. Start with simple tools like Canva, which offers easy-to-use templates for adding text, overlays, transitions, and effects. Canva's video editor is beginner-friendly, making it perfect for those just starting out. For more advanced editing, try CapCut, which is free and packed with features like keyframe animation, background removal, and video stabilization. CapCut also supports trending effects and filters, ideal for creating eye-catching visuals that resonate with your audience. Use its auto-captioning feature to add subtitles and improve accessibility. If you're ready to step up your game, consider using Adobe Premiere Pro. Although it has a steeper learning curve, Premiere Pro provides professional-grade tools for color grading, audio mixing, and detailed timeline editing. Pair it with plugins like Filmora effects for dynamic transitions and visual enhancements. Remember, the key to successful editing is storytelling. Ensure your videos follow a logical flow with smooth transitions between sections. Trim unnecessary parts to keep the pacing tight and maintain viewer engagement. Add royalty-free background music and sound effects to make your videos more immersive. Platforms like Epidemic Sound or Artlist are great for finding high-quality tracks. If you've enjoyed learning about how AI can streamline your YouTube journey, let me introduce you to something even more exciting. On this channel, I've created a 3-part exclusive series where we explore 8 of the most powerful AI tools for content creators. In these videos, I walk you through tools like Descript, Runway ML, and Synthesia, demonstrating step-by-step how they can revolutionize every aspect of your workflow. From script writing and video editing to creating stunning visuals and generating lifelike voiceovers. Whether you're a beginner looking for simple tools or an experienced creator aiming to scale up, this series has something for everyone. Each video is packed with actionable tips, real-world examples, and insider tricks that will help you create content faster, better, and more effectively. By the end of the series, you'll have a solid grasp of how to integrate AI into your content strategy to save time and achieve professional results. Don't miss out. This series is the ultimate resource for creators who want to stay ahead in the competitive world of YouTube. Now that you're equipped with everything you need to build a faceless YouTube channel, the next step is entirely up to you. If this video has inspired you, take a moment to hit that like button. It's a small action that makes a huge impact on supporting this channel and helping us reach more creators like you. And if you're new here, subscribe and turn on the notification bell to join a growing community of creators mastering AI-powered content creation. Don't forget to check out the 3-part AI tools series I mentioned earlier. Those videos are designed to complement this guide and give you even more tools to grow your channel. Got questions, feedback, or even success stories to share? Leave a comment below. I read every single one and often use your ideas for future videos. Let's continue this journey together, creating high-quality content and reaching our goals. Your faceless YouTube channel isn't just a dream, it's a reality waiting to happen. Let's make it happen starting today. Thanks for watching and happy creating!